Hi there, students. Lucubrate, lucubration, and even a lucubrator. Okay, lucubration is intense academic study, especially at night, or intense thinking about a problem or some matter. Again, particularly at night. This is a really formal word, so you can't use it in an informal conversation. Lucubrations could be the result of this intense thinking. Okay, so very often academics lucubrate, or they engage in lucubrations to find the answer to what they are looking for. Notice we can use this word lucubrations to be critical of somebody, to say that they are being pretentious. If something's pretentious, it pretends to be posher than it really is. Or it's implying that it's pedantic, paying excessive attention to detail. So, for example, you go to a market and there's a book and it's £1. Yeah? And you ask the guy, how much is it? And he says, £1. And you say, well, I'll think about it. So he could probably say, well, once you've finished your lucubrations, if you decide you want it, it's here. So by using lucubration, he's being ironic. Because, for God's sake, it's only £1. It's not going to break the bank. You're not spending the family fortune. What's to decide? Do you want it or not? He's using a very formal word in an informal situation. And like that, he is emphasizing the ridiculousness of what you've said. Okay, we do that very often in English, using an excessively formal word to describe something, to be ironic. So, lucubrations, or lucumbration, thinking about something, maybe a treatise or a writing or an essay that is really solemn, it's really academic, and it's so dry it's boring. Very often we use lucubrations in the plural to emphasize this fact that the person is being pretentious and pedantic. But lucubrations, the original or the basic meaning is intense academic study or intense thinking about something, especially at night. So what about the origin? Well, it comes from Latin, lucubratio, which means nighttime study, studying at night. And that comes from lux, L-U-X, which means which means light. And to study at night, you need a candle or a lamp or something, so that you can actually study what you're reading, or the text in front of you. So, lucubrations, really formal, maybe a 9 or even a 9.5 in formality. If you use this word, many people are just not going to know what it means. So be very careful where you use it. Don't use it in an informal conversation unless you're being sarcastic or ironic, and then you'll probably have to explain the meaning. In an informal conversation, use the phrase your studies, your analysis, your thoughts about the matter. Okay? Something like that. Lucubrations is very formal. I think this would be a really good word to use in an exam essay. Are you in favour or against capital punishment? And you have to write an essay. So you write a paragraph about things in favour of it, another paragraph against, and then you come to the conclusions. And you could say something, after these lucubrations, I think that, and then you give your opinion. It's a really good formal literary word to use in an essay like that, and you're going to show off your fantastic vocabulary. So, lucubrations, intense thought or study, really formal, so don't use it informally. As a verb, to lucubrate, even rarer, and a lucubrator, even rarer still. I think I might give lucubrator a 10 in formality. It's just not used. I would use lucubration as a countable or uncountable noun. In the singular, probably more commonly uncountable, and lucubrations to be critical and say somebody is being pretentious and pedantic. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lucubration.